Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted Unfiltered, and as always, this video is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. I know so because I've tried their coffee time and time again, and almost every day. And in fact, if you're using, according to experts, at least 10% or a fraction of your brain, then you would know that this really is the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. I don't know who came up with that 10%, but he might not be using much of his brain power to come up with that equation. But I do believe that this is the best coffee in the whole wide universe. So, if you are using some part of your brain, you know that this video is devised for you to make a comment about this upcoming watch that I'm about to review. And this whole unboxing experience is a vessel for your opinion and for your comments, and the good and interesting ones will make it into the actual video review. Now that we've wasted like a minute of your time in that introduction, let's now jump right ahead. Wait, you didn't see that. You didn't see that. There you go. Jump right ahead to the unboxing of this watch. Now, if you could work out from the tape here which brand this is coming from. This is coming from a relatively new brand. New from the box. And just disclaimer for everybody. They say that the packaging wasn't ready, so I'm not sure if this is the actual packaging it's supposed to come in. But there you go. That is from Portahl. Portahl. I think that's how it's pronounced. And this is their new watch. And this one is a little bit more unique. You can see the packaging also is quite unique. Let's see what we have here. Oh, okay. Look at that. It also comes with a strap. They did tell me that I could cut this freely for my own small dainty wrists. And they came up also with an extra spring bar there. Let's see. So we're gonna make use of that for the review. Oh, this is a really good box already on its own. I don't know if this is going to be the box that is going to come in, but it seems like it's a very good and nifty box. And this is the, oh my gosh, okay, this is the watch. So it's a anticlimactic there because of the packaging. And this is it. The Zenmaster. Zenmaster. Okay. That's a very unusual watch, especially with that kind of finishing. Wow. I didn't expect that. They said it was sandblasted. I never imagined it to be like this kind of sandblasting. It's really, really fine. Look at that. Oh, but look at those very nice polished grooves. That's interesting, very interesting. But what's more interesting here? Let me go to the back first. Look at that. Ooh, very nice roller. Well decorated. A lot of engravings there, right? What is this? Is this titanium or stainless steel? Sapphire crystal, Zenmaster. Does it really say anything about that? No, I don't see any. Well, it seems like it's stainless steel to me. Also, quick release spring bars, as you can see there. The bracelet is rather thick, rather wide, yeah, and it's a butterfly clasp. Let me see, yeah, your typical butterfly clasp there. But that's an amazing finish right there. But the showstopper here, the main showcase, is of course that dial. Look at that. Look at that texture. Very, very zen-like. And that texture also holds a little bit of a secret. I'm not gonna mention it. I'll reserve that for the actual video review. But look at those gilt elements. I love those. Well, you're missing some loom here. Maybe some people would find some issue with that. And this is a cool mix of not just it's not a fully dressy watch. It's more like an everyday watch according to their press info for me. Let me see. Is this okay? Oh yeah, it is a screw down case. It's not screw down case. Screw down crown. There we go. Very nice hacking and has a date on it. Okay, very good. Let's try it on my wrist. Okay, let's try it on. And there it is. Okay, it feels a little big on my wrist. Feels a little big on my wrist. And but that bracelet, that's a very attractive bracelet. I didn't really. I was surprised by those polished grooves. Those look really good, especially against that brushed finish. And you could see there. Let's focus on that another time. You could see the many different finishes just on the sides. Really well made case there. And it's really hefty too. So, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this new Portahl Zenmaster. It's another interesting take on the sports watch, and keep in touch with the actual video review that's coming up in the next few days.